Hello everyone, today I'm going to read the book called The Day That the Cadence Quits by Drew Darwett. One day in a class, Duncan went to take out his cadence and found a stack of letters with his name on them. The letter was, "Hey Duncan, it's me, Red Karen. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other Karens. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Days. I need a rest. You overworked friend, Red Karen. Dear Dukan, alright, listen. I love that I'm your favorite Karen for grapes, dragons, and wizards hats, but it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous colors goes outside the line. If you don't start coloring inside the line soon, I'm going to be completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Karen. Dear Dukan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I'm neither. I'm beige and I am proud. I also tried of being second place to Mr. Brown Karen. It's not fair that Brown gets all the beers, pennies and puppies while the only thing I get are turkey dinners if I'm lucky. And wait, and let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? You're being friend, Pace Karen. Dukan, Grey Karen Hirsch. You are killing me. I know you love elephant and I know that elephants are very grey, but that's a lot of space is color in all by myself, and I don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos and humpbacks whales. You know how I am after handling one of those things with big animals, says penguins the gray, you're very hard, you're very tired friend, Gray Karen. Dear Dukan, color you color with me, but why? Most of the time I'm the same color as the page you are using me on. White. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or to fill in empty space between other things. And it leaves me feeling well empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Karen. Hi Dukan, I hate being used to draw the outline of the things that are colored in by other colors, all of which think they are brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colors of the balls with all the other Karens. How about black beach balls sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Karen. Dear Dukan, as Green Karen, I am writing for two reasons. One, to say that I like my workloads of crocodile, trees, dinosaurs, and frogs. I have no problem and wish to congratulate you on a very successful coloring thing green. Career is fear. The second reason I write is to my friend Yellow Karen and Orange Karen, where are no other speaking to each other. Both Karens feel this should be the color of the sun. Please settle this soon because they are driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend Green. Dear Dukan, Yellow Karen here. I need you to tell Orange Karen that I am the color of sun. I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking and I can prove I'm the color of the sun too. Last Tuesday you used me to color in the sun in your happy farm coloring book. In case you are forgotten, it's on page. You can't miss me. I'm shining like a brilliant on a field of yellow corn. Your pal and the true color of the sun, Yellow Karen. Dear Dukan, I see yellow color already. Talk to you, the big winner. Anyway, could you please tell me I that he is not the color of the sun? I would, but we are no longer speaking. We both knew I am clearly the color of sun because on Thursday you used me to color the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo coloring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Ha, your pal and the real color of the sun. Orange, Karen. Dear Dukan, it has been great thing your favorite color this past year and the real before and year before that. I have enjoyed all the ocean, lakes, river, raindrops, rain clouds and clear skies, but the bad news is that I'm so short and stubby I can't even see the railing in the Karen box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Karen. Dear Dukan, okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. It's because you think I am a girl's color, isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said thank you to using me to color in her pretty princess coloring book. I think she did a fabulous job of saying inside the line. Now, back to you. Please use me to color the occasional pink dinosaurs or monsters or cowboy. Your unused friend, Pink Karen. Dear Dukan, it's me, Peach Karen. Why did you feel off my paper wrapping? Now I'm naked and too embarrassed to leave the Karen box. I don't even have any underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Help. Your naked friend, Beach Karen. Well, poor Dukan just wanted to color, and of course he wanted his Karen to be happy, and that gave him an idea. When Dukan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him a good work sticker for coloring and a gold star for creativity. That was the part of the book, and now we moving towards the critical condition. And from this book, the critical condition is that children will complete a match the Karen to the letters activity. The teacher will give simplified letter cards of various Karen and picture cards with adjacent scene. Example: blue water, pink princess, or black lines. Children will pair up the letter with the appropriate Karens, reason why, and the order the complaints of Karens in the story in order. The teacher will also pose questions like what Karen is not happy here and why. This experience will be used to assist children in relating text, illustration, and character meaning. Fellows and Oakley explained that understanding is built as children read, talk, and draw parallel between word and image. The activity also support early awareness of the letter as a text type with the purpose and audience. Thank you.